What up YouTube and all you pretzel lovers? Today we're testing this fancy Snyder honey mustard pretzel snack. To be honest, I can't get enough of this shit. So good. Damn, it's so good. I decided to share some with my friends around the office and check out their response. Maybe they like it like me, maybe they don't.
Yo, care to test this shit?
No, I ain't touching it.
Yeah, it's good shit.
Oh, adesso.
Honey mustard. Oh, yo, that's enough. It's good?
Oh man. What the fuck is this? Some kind of pretzels or something?
That's right. That's it.
Look at this shit. Out of 7 people who agreed to test that shit, only one girl disliked it. And to be honest, she don't know jack. I love that shit and I don't care what you think. When you open this snack, there's a strong smell of mustard. Fills you up with, if you love mustard, you know what I'm saying. If you don't, that's not for you. Don't touch my shit. Some people may say it's too much, but I think it's good. I think it's the right amount of smell. When you open this snack, there is a strong smell of mustard bursting out. And to be honest, I love it. Some people may say it's strong, but I don't care what they say. I love that shit. I give this a solid 4.8 out of 5 score, which is damn good. Really, if you love mustard, you gotta try that shit. This shit is off the hook. Enjoy and see you next time. Peace out.